Today, I'm going to set up a Google Pay on this WearOS watch running WearOS 2.0. So we just touch the screen. So this is just clock face. If we swipe down, there is the pay. So it must be Google Pay. We press the pay, say a better way to pay by Google. Set it up. We just say set it up. We have set up a Google Pay on my Android phone. So on this watch, say screen lock needed. To pay with your watch, it must be on your wrist and unlocked. Your watch will auto lock only when you take it off. Continue, we say continue. And then screen lock. It could be a pattern, just you can see like a Z, a L, something like that. Or you can choose a pin. Let's choose a pin. After you enter your pin and press the tick, then it asks you to confirm. You enter again and press the tick. So you just entered again, choose email, choose account, and now it's setting up Google Pay. Yes, I think it's connecting with my phone. Check your phone. Don't say anything on your phone. So I think we need to set the Google Pay up on the phone with the watch app. So on the phone, let's open the watch app, WearOS. So we have this watch app opened. So I started the app on the watch. On my phone, it is saying select the card. So I select the payment card, and now it's waiting for something. It's now saying getting the card from the phone. From the phone, I select the card, and then it requests my security code again in order for me to use on the watch. So I'm going to get this security code. So now I have entered the security code. Notice that I'm holding my watch so that it contact my skin. Otherwise, it may just interrupt the process. I entered my security code, and now I can press continue on my phone. It's updating. Both phone and watch updating, and this is easier terms, so we need to accept. So now it's asking me to verify the card again with the text message. We're going to press continue to verify the card again. This time is for the watch. So now I entered from the text message, I entered the verification code. I'm going to press submit. Now we have added the card to the watch. When I raise card with the phone, it asks me to verify, and when I add the card to the watch, it asks me to verify again. So now it should be added. So now you can see if you are paying, hold to the terminal. If you hold to the terminal, you can pay with this watch. Every time when you wear your watch, after charging, you have to enter your PIN. And after that, you can use the Google Pay. There are 3 ways you can pay. One is that on the lock screen, you can double click the lower button. And then you can pay with this card. If you have several cards, you can select. Another way is that if you can see the watch face, you only need a single click, and then you can pay. The third way is that if you can see the watch face, or you wake the watch up by touching, and then you can swipe down from the top. and there is a pay there. You press the pay, and then you can pay with Google Pay. So these are the 3 ways.